p.m. this evening between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. on Saturday morning and between 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. on Saturday evening. High tide on the back bays and on Delaware Bay occurs later than the high tide on the ocean front. Surge around 1 to 1.5 feet today, building to around 2.5 feet on Saturday. Waves around 4 to 7 feet today, building on Saturday. Impacts. Numerous roadways are expected to flood and minor to moderate property damage is possible. The tides and wave action will likely result in moderate beach erosion. A coastal flood warning means that flooding is occurring or imminent. Coastal residents in the warned area should be alert for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHS for additional water level and flood impact information for your local tide gauge. The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Delaware, inland Sussex, and Kent. Locations: coastal areas of Sussex County and Kent County. Coastal flooding. Minor flooding is possible with the high tides this morning and this evening. Moderate flooding is expected with the high tide Saturday morning and Saturday evening. Timing. Front occurs between 7:15 a.m. and 8:15 a.m. this morning, 7:45 p.m. and 8:45 p.m. this evening, between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. on Saturday morning, and between 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. on Saturday evening. High tide on the back bays and on Delaware Bay occurs later than the high tide on the ocean front. Surge around 1 foot late today, building to around 2.5 feet on Saturday. Waves around 4 to 7 feet today, building to 9 to 12 feet on Saturday. Impacts. Numerous roadways are expected to flood and minor to moderate property damage is possible. The tides and wave action will likely result in moderate beach erosion. A coastal flood warning means that flooding is occurring or imminent. Coastal residents in the warned area should be alert for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHS for additional water level and flood impact information for your local tide gauge. Official National Weather Service forecasts from for the following counties. Locations: coastal areas of Cape May County and Cumberland County. Coastal flooding. Widespread moderate flooding is anticipated with the high tides on Saturday morning and Saturday evening. Timing: high tide on the ocean front occurs between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. on Saturday morning and between 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. on Saturday evening. High tide on the Back Bays and on Delaware Bay occurs later than the high tide on the ocean front. Surge building around 2.5 feet on Saturday. Waves building to 10 to 15 feet on the ocean on Saturday. Outlook: residual minor to moderate flooding is expected around the times of high tide on Sunday. Remains possible at this time. This coastal flood warning means that moderate tidal flooding. Be prepared for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Follow the recommendations of local emergency management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repairs. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHS for additional water level and flood impact information for your local tide gauge.
Again, another doubleheader, really?
widespread moderate flooding is expected with the high tides on Saturday morning and Saturday evening. Timing: high tide on the ocean front occurs between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. on Saturday morning and between 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. on Saturday evening. High tide on the Back Bay along Delaware Bay occurs later than the high tide on the ocean front, building around 2.5 feet on Saturday. Winds ocean on Saturday. Impacts: numerous roadways are expected to flood and minor moderate property damage is possible on Saturday. Action will likely result in moderate beach erosion. Moderate flooding is expected around the times of high tide on Sunday. Locally, moderate flooding remains possible at the time. This coastal flood warning means that moderate flooding is imminent. Be prepared for rising water levels and follow the recommendations of local emergency management officials. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger and your vehicle may be damaged. Visit the Advanced Hydrologic Prediction Service at water.weather.gov/AHPS for additional water level and flood impact information for your local type gauge. The following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Maryland and the Russell, Central and Southeast Howard and Northwest Howard. Timing: through tonight. Winds: northwest 25 to 40 miles, 5 to 65 miles per hour. The strongest winds will be through this evening. Impacts: widespread power outages are occurring. Travel is dangerous, especially for high-profile vehicles, and motorists need to be aware of rapidly changing road conditions due to the potential of downed trees and power lines. Pedestrians will face very hazardous conditions and need to be aware of wind-borne projectiles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. If you use a portable thermometer, follow manufacturer's instructions and do not use inside homes, garages, or apartments. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is occurring. Gusts over 60 miles